It is so moist in here, eh? Back at it again at the storage place, and I've got Richard with me, so it's not gonna look so awful. Alright guys, so we got all our stuff here.
Should we go get the other tip? And use it for some of these little things, and then we'll just get another one when we get close.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll go get it.
Okay. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix this up to make it a little bit more accessible. We're gonna put all like the heavy totes at the bottom, but right now we've got all our stuff here. Oh, and there are the lights that I was looking for the last time. But Rich is about to go get the tote that we got. We're gonna need it because we've got all these like other little things just hanging out. So yeah, this is how it looks right now, and you will see how it looks in a minute. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Did we do all right? I feel like we put enough space, but these are the totes that we got from Tucson, so obviously we don't use them. But yeah, that's how it looks. Not bad.
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays.
Guys, we're at an open house. Look how beautiful this garden is in Las Vegas. Like, look at that. Look how nice this is. This house, you guys, Evora is just on the other side. Alright, so I'm going to leave Richard's information down below. That way you can contact Richard, and then that way you can come and see this place, you guys. This is so freaking pretty. This is in Las Vegas. Las Vegas. You have a grape thing. What is this called?
It's like a grape.
Vine something? Vineyard, there you go. Alright guys, so we are heading home. We just saw that open home and it was pretty nice. I really liked the garden. I was like impressed that there were grapes in Vegas. I thought that was pretty cool. That was a cool touch. Hey guys, so I'm getting my dinner ready. I'm just having the leftovers that we had from yesterday. I'm having mashed potato, steak, and some macaroni salad. I'm so hungry, like so hungry. Say hi to the tube.
Hi YouTube!
What day is it over there?
It is Saturday. It's Saturday in the afternoon. I'm going to the post office. And there's only one post office open for another 45 minutes, so I'm going as fast as I can.
Look at her speeding through.
Bye, YouTube!
Bye!
언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life 사라지지만 나의 전부 The chemistry is like no other two 힘들었을 때마다 늘 함께 있던 너
And then 2 french fries and a large Coke.
우리 둘 사이에
Thank you.
바라보고 있는 날 봐 Nowhere can I find someone like you Que o carinho seja o beijo de uma flor Deixa que o amor invade a porta da tua casa Deixa que o carinho seja o beijo de uma flor Desde pequenino que eu sei que o amor é cura Amolece a dor e ingratidão Desde pequenino que eu sei que o amor perdura. Basta ter carinho. Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays. Added up plus signs, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the beat later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up to my space. I'm a fashion dealer, I'm your biggest bidder. In the middle, I just don't wanna settle under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get high. You're the product, I could be a buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head yet. Just being honest, what's the big difference? Yeah. And I've been feeling my own emotion. Just being honest.
Can I have one of you?
There's no difference.
One of these.